Right. We are discussing about this. Let me wind up quickly. So this is the first layer, and this is the second layer, third layer, fourth layer. 4 layers compulsory required in case you want to implement end-to-end BA process. Business intelligence process. Any company you take, anywhere you join, any tool you use, this process remains same. No change in that. And if you're new to IT, you may feel a little panic with the terminology, but every day we are going to use the same terminology. You feel bored after 3-4 days. And if you want to implement this approach in legacy, 90 to 2005, we require one tool here, one storage here, another tool here, another tool here. Multiple tools, multiple storage is required. With MSBA, the first BA from Microsoft, it is a self-service BA suite where we have multiple tools. SSIS is the first tool. MSBA is a suite. It has multiple tools, and this is the first tool, which is for ETL process. Second tool, which is for analytical process. Third tool, which is for reporting process. And it is a wonderful solution, but still Microsoft designed Power BI and as a single application, not like a suite or tools, single application. And which will perform end-to-end process. And this is the first concept. This is the second concept. This is the third concept. So Power BI, single application, performing multiple concepts. But why it is designed? Last class, I convinced by explaining this picture. And even I explained this picture as well. Input to BI, any data, anywhere data. So business intelligence input is this. And output from BA, report or dashboard. Then what is BA? Intelligence to the business. Yeah, business intelligence or intelligence to the business. Decision making or analysis of the business. You are going to create from normal data, decision making data in this area. And that we present to report or dashboard. And report contain detailed data, dashboard contain high level data. In other words, multiple reports information we place in a single area, that is a dashboard. And BA evolution, very old, that is legacy. 90s approach, multiple tools, multiple setups, multiple resources, compulsory. So many companies took multiple tools, installed multiple tools, recruited multiple people as part of business intelligence process. Not only MSBA, there are a couple of BAs available in the market, and those provide end-to-end operations in a single suite. But MSBA brought leadership to Microsoft, and it is easy to understand, easy to install, and cheaper when compared to other BA tools. So that is one more reason why companies use MSBA. Even I showed you yesterday how Microsoft is the leader, and from when Microsoft is the leader in the analytics and BA. For the last 16 years, Microsoft is the leader in analytics and BA. But still, why Power BI? For the last 16 years, if MSBA was the leader, then why Power BI? Very simple. For MSBA level, cloud not available. MSBA suite purely before 2004 market-based. No mobile-friendly, no tab-friendly operations. MSBA reports you cannot place easily in other applications like Facebook, Twitter, etc. areas. And the visuals of MSBA not supportive to the current market. And mod updations are very not frequent actually. The changes or market capturing is not frequent. So Microsoft decided to announce a new power added component, that is Power BI, adding power to the existing BI. So Power BI, full support to cloud and on-premises, single application to perform all the operations. It's a low-code application, many visuals available. And we also have a new topic in BA tool monthly update, not like MS BI. Every month we have an update in Power BI, every month. And when was Power BI announced? 2013 July. From there, every month we have update in Power BI till this month. So these points I explained very clearly yesterday, so I'm not explaining today. Just heads up. So with the given spirit of Power BI, Microsoft released Power Platform with 5 low-code components. All these are low-code components to perform respective operation. And this was given in 2019. So this was 2013 and this was 2019. So from 2019, Power BI under Power Platform. But Microsoft noticed companies are using reporting data operations both in a single area. So now they announced a new component called Fabric. Fabric is the area where Power BI works as a reporting and Data Factory data activator. So Data Factory is Synapse for data processing, and this is for data monitoring. And you are going to learn a component which is a part of Microsoft Fabric. So now you are a Fabric developer. Now you are a Fabric resource. So this is data to Fabric evolution. Yesterday I explained, today I did recap. And what is the fresh part for today? So from now, if you don't understand, stop me and ask me immediately. So current topic, Power BI components. What are the components we have in Power BI? As I told you yesterday, first of all, what exactly Power BI does? It is powering BI, adding power to BI, gets data and generate reports or dashboards. This is the operation of Power BI. And Power BI having cloud operations, Power BI having on-premises operations. Here cloud is Microsoft Store. On-premises, your company store. So if you are interested for cloud, 95% people go for cloud only, but 5% companies going for on-premises. In case you decide to keep your data in the cloud, your reports in the cloud, and you want to manage, first component this is required. And this is called Power BI Desktop. Which is a report development component, and it is a self-service BI component. End-to-end report generation possible here. And whatever the reports you develop, you want to share to customers. You want to manage permissions. Then you require cloud. This is the cloud. Microsoft storage is cloud. And you want to connect, this is a URL. Report storing and managing. Second component. So maximum possibility that you work in the real time with these two components. One for report development, one for storing and managing. From here only customers will get the reports, not this. This is just for development. Similarly, on premises. If you want to develop a report, this is required. And you want to store and manage, this is required. Server. you need to install. And on top of it, customers will work on. And these are additional components of Power BI. I will explain slowly. Don't worry. So, but these are the actual components. Sir, my friend told me even in the YouTube level, we are able to see Power View, Power Pivot. What are those? So within the Power BI desktop, we have concept. Power Query is one concept. Power Pivot is one concept. Power View is another concept. Power Map is another concept. This is within Power BI desktop. Important components in Power BI: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 developer, 6, builder, 6 developer, 7 embedding, 8 mobile publisher. These are the 8 components we are having in Power BI. And today I will explain about this component with a little practice to show you the user friendliness, ease of operations. And remaining components explanation tomorrow only I'm going to give you. Tomorrow, half an hour time I will spare for explaining this part in detail. Then what exactly desktop does, this component? Assume this is your business data or any transactional data. Especially this is storing right now, or this is having right now my family expense, day wise, how much money I spent, for which reason, which area, which location. Lockdown time, I noted these amounts. July and August, amount, reason, area, location, I mentioned here. This data I want to show like this. This is normal transactional data, but I want like this. Like total my spending, average my spending, maximum spending, minimum spending, and top spendings, bottom spendings in this visual. How much money I spent for each category, percentage, the geographical locations, etc. I want to show. And I also need filter. When I select 19, 19 data, 20, 20 data, August, August month data, July, July data. So this kind of user interactive report required. Yes, you can easily do it. Easily do it by using Power BI desktop. What it does, complete BI process. So if you pass this one as a data, it will take the data, and this is called BA data. This kind of BA data it will produce. But how come? In middle, it will take the data. This tool will take the data. This tool will transform. If data is not good, definitely we need to do some transformation. If multiple tables available, all you cannot use individually. So you need to connect them. Relationships establishment. If security required, it can apply. And finally, visuals it will generate. And this is the BA process. Next 2 months, you are going to learn this part only. Don't feel panic. Daily, you hear the same terminology. Even in the real time, your operation is this. You will get data. You will use this desktop, generate a report. But for sharing and managing, server or service required. That is different story. Shall we work on this component? Right. Power BI desktop. What is desktop? Graphical operations area. So what about Power BI desktop? Power BI operations, Power BI graphical operations area. Now, what about input? Input is any data. Anywhere, any type. What is the output from this? A report, a dashboard with multiple pages. Hardware and software requirements. RAM, minimum 2 GB. Minimum 2 GB. CPU, minimum 2 GHz processor. OS, Windows 8 or above, but here 10 or above is recommended. So these are the minimal requirements needed for this software. Very lightweight, but I will tell you more in the regular class. Next, download. 3 ways available. First way, Google it. Advanced download. Here, no account is required. Google it. Download. Account is required. Service or server download. From here also, account is required. Sir, what is account? That I will tell you tomorrow. And today I'm going to explain this. Downloading without account and working on it. What about installation? Click the software exe file and follow wizard steps. Mostly next, finish. Comma. No great configuration. Is that fine with everyone? No. First one. I will show you the input. Where is the input? Yes, sir. You're going to ask something.
Yes, actually, in the last page, like, what is that no grade configuration means? What that means?
So simply you're clicking next, finish.
Okay. There are no extra steps required on that. Means.
Not required, correct.
Okay.
So usually when we configure server name, you will mention application name, will mention some paths, you will mention. No, not all this required. I will show you first my input data. So this is my family expenses. I'll give you for your practice. Kindly practice today. Start your learning from today. Don't consider as a demo. Consider like a practical session of your regular class and do it so that you will enjoy the subject. So this is my input data, family expenses, daily data available, date-wise, amount, reason, area, location. This data you want to convert to this way. So this is required. Then how do we download? As I told you, Google it. Power BI desktop download. Microsoft Power BI desktop. So clearly telling you, Power BI transforms your data into reports and dashboards. Since yesterday, the same point I'm telling. It will take data and gives you a report or dashboard. Now Power BI desktop Don't write anything, listen to it. Otherwise, you feel faster. Anyway, you will receive the video. Kindly open and practice if you feel faster. It is new but not complex, and I'm also not going faster. The Microsoft Power BI desktop. Details, system requirement, installation instructions available. These you need to read before downloading. And tomorrow, how to read them, how to use them, I'll explain you. We don't have that much of time to discuss now. So I simply go to download. And Power BI desktop setup available. There are two softwares available. If you see this is 64-bit machine suitable. And this is 32-bit machine suitable. So based on your machine, you need to download. So how do we come to know? Just click on this search area. Type here sysinfo, system information. System information. What is the system type? My system is this. I typed here sysinfo and I got this information. So download. Even when you download, go to system information, verify system type, and click download. Yes, Chiranjeevi, ask your question. You raise your hand. Okay. Once you download, it looks like this. This is the way it looks like. Just click on it. Follow the wizard. Mostly next, finish. Once it is done, you will find an icon on the desktop. It is a cloud desktop. I also have one more on-premises desktop. This I will explain in the regular class. Both are different. This desktop you download. Later open it. Yes, Chiranjeevi, ask your question. Okay, no problem. Power BI desktop. So this is the first window it will open. And this is called Get Started window. You will find quick reference links. And I'll explain about these links tomorrow. If you don't want this screen, you can close it. This is the main screen. And this you need to learn. And this is self-service BI screen. So it will take your data, extract it, transform it, model it, secure it, visualize it. Finally, you will get BA data. This single tool will do first operation, second operation, third operation, fourth operation, fifth operation. And these operations are very nearby. This is the area extraction. This is the area transformation. This is the area modeling. This is the area security. And this is the area reporting we do. All are nearby. The same thing you want to do with legacy BI tools, multiple tools required. With MSB also multiple tools required, but Power BI, no multiple tools. Single application, nearby navigations. Next, it is a colorblind friendly environment. Colorblind people can work on. And this is the title of the report. So this is the area title. And this is quick saving. And this is account. And this is minimizing. And this is maximizing. And this is closing. And these are the three views available. These are called views. And the first one is report view. And here is a place, this filter information, visualization information, data information will take. Even other reporting concepts, report view. And this is grid view. Some people say data view. Data, it will show you. And this is a relationship view, a model view, or a relationship view. It will show the relationship and also establish relationships. So three views available: reporting, data, modeling. If you want to establish relationship, you need to go. If you want to see the data, you need to go. If you want to present the report data, this is the one. And this is called pane, filter pane, P-A-N-E, pane. And this is called visualization pane. Pane is a rectangle where set of options available. And this is data pane. You can say data set pane. So data available here. Don't worry, the same window daily you're going to work next 2 months. And these are called menu tabs. Right now, home is underlined and home options available. This is called home ribbon options. Like this, there are different options in this screen. But important one for today, you need to know about title, these views, three views, visualization pane, visuals available, data set pane, data available. And I will explain with our data how to bring it. So if you want to bring it, this is the way. If the data is not good and you want to transform it, you want to change it, second area I will show. So our current input require data extraction, data transformation. But only one table we have, one data we have, no modeling. So three I'm not showing today. Modeling I'm not showing because security not required now, but visualization required, fifth one. So on our current data, 1, 2, 5. These three required. I will show you. Any confused? So what I'm going to do with our data? This one, this one, this one, these three areas. So bring it. Simply click get data. Excel workbook. Where is the data? This is my Excel data. I'm clicking. I will take this table, click load, because that is having data. So I got the data, so it came here. This is a data set pane or data pane. Because sets of data available here. How many tables you want to bring? Those many you bring it, all are available here. That's why this is called data set area. If data you want to see, then go to this area. This is to see the data. Click on it, look at the data. I clicked on this. Something is not correct here. Title's okay, but this is not okay. This title's okay, but this is not okay. Because this title is supposed to be on top. Or you can say the first row supposed to be on top, but not happen. That's the reason we compulsory need to go to transformation area. Transformation area is a place where we do these kind of amendments, these kind of changes. Intentionally, I took this to show you transformations. So you are not satisfied with this data, then go to report view. Second area, I told you transformation data. Click transform data. It will open a separate window. And this is called Power Query window. A mashup window. It follows a language called mashup language, but mashup window simply for extract and transformations. Hundreds of transformations available. What do you mean by transform? Data change. Maybe sorting. Sort is one transformation. Concatenate is one transformation. Merging is one transformation. Addition is one transformation. Subtraction is one transformation. Like this, hundreds available. But in this situation, we require only one option. This first one I want to take as proper heading. This one I want to take as heading. And this window, explore bigger and work on it. If it is done, just close it. Close and apply. Save the changes and close. Whatever the changes you want to do it. And then finally, save it and close it. But why not save available? Already save is used. So different terminology, apply. And click on this corner. See, this is a table. This is the data not properly available because first row having column heading. So we need to move to top. So click on this corner, use first row as header. Now column headings are proper. Success. So go to this, close and apply. So successfully we transform the data. Now our data appears proper. Go to this area, data view area, see the data. Is it looking good? Next area, visualization. I require, so this is the area. I require total value. Single value you want to show, then go to card visual. I will describe about these visuals later in detail. For the time being, high level, I'm telling, kindly focus. 10 days, we're going to discuss on this, 10 days. So single value you want to show, there is a visual called card available. Click card. And go to table. From here, you take amount in the fields area. So always two-step process. First, select the visual. Second, fill this area from this data set. 2 steps. Any visual, select the visual and arrange the fields so that it will show you in this area. So this information, it will show you in this area. Ready? Some amount it is showing. Similarly, I want average card visual or maximum value you want. Sum, I will place here. I don't want sum. I don't want amount sum, maximum I want. So there's a drop down available, click on it, select maximum. See, this is the beauty of Power BI, no need to write logics. Coding for small calculations. If you want minimum value, just click on card. Minimum you want, amount, minimum. Click on it, minimum. For example, count of locations you want, how many locations you traveled. Take one more card. Location you take, not first, click on it, count. Locations count. And you want to format it proper. Just go to this, format your visual, card visual, sorry, call out value. So I worked on only this area for fields. In case you want to format, one more area available, format. So for a visual, this is fields area, this is formation area. Formation means color, font, alignment, etc. we will work on. I will go to this formation area. This is called call out and this is called category label. Now do it. Call out value, bold. I want 30 size only. Color, blue color. Display, none. None means normal value. But if you want to show million, billion, trillion, you can change it. If you mention million, million format. If you want to take nothing, none. Ready? Sufficient for me. Category label. Label means this label. Bold. I will take 20 size. I will take a color, pink color. So this and this I modified. You also work on it. Next, general. I'm going to general. Effect area. I'll go to visual border on. Border. General. Effect border on. Ready. I will minimize like this. The same setting I want here. Very simple. Highlight this, format painter. Click on it. The same setting you want here also. Go to this, copy paste. Go to this format painter, paint. Is it easy? Beautiful? Ready, sir. Whatever I expected, ready. Give me 5 minutes time, I will close it. Now, I want to show top and bottom. Then go to chart visual. Stacked bar chart. So far, I used only this. And I'm going to use this visual now. Bar chart. This is for comparison. Click on bar chart. Move it down. Y-axis. I'm minimizing the screen. This is Y-axis. What do you want? This is X-axis. What do you want? Your wish. But according to my understanding, Y-axis level, I will take location X-axis level, I will take amount. It is showing location, amount. Explore bigger. Focus mode is explore bigger. Hyderabad, Vishakhapatnam, Vijayawada, highest spending. Siddipet, Suryapet, lowest spending. And Hyderabad, 36,850. Vishakhapatnam, 36,400. In case you remove the location and take reason, no reason-wise analysis. Food, travel, highest spending, books and internet, lowest spending. So change whatever you want to change. Go back. I want to go to format your visual, general option, effect, border only I'm taking. Ready. I want composition, location composition, take pie chart. This is for comparisons only. Now composition, how much percentage I spent in a location. Click composition, percentage one. I will take location in the legend area, value area amount. Explore bigger and see. Hyderabad, 34%. Vijayawada, 25%. Vishakhapatnam, 33%. I just took only these two. Location in the legend area, amount in the value area. Automatically it is showing location, percentage, value. Easily you are able to see the contribution towards 100%. Contribution towards 100%. Go to this general effect border. But I want to see the locations traveled. This is a map visual. I'm using it. Click on map. Place it here. Just mention location in the location area. Size, bubble size, amount. Location, location area. Bubble size, amount. Explore bigger. See now, it is clearly telling Hyderabad value more, so bigger bubble. Even Vishakhapatnam more, bigger bubble, the value. And Vijayawada less, small bubble. So what are the locations I travel and what about the business values? Everything I'm able to show. But I want a better filtering here, data filtering. Required year data, required month data I want to see. Then go to slicer. This is one more. So today I'm working on one card visual, one bar chart, one pie chart, one mapping visual, one data filtering visual. These 5 visuals we are working in this demo. Now slicer, you just take slicer, take date from date year, date hierarchy year. If it is not showing properly or in your expected way, go to format, slicer setting, don't take between, list you take. Slicer list. And you want to take colors and all, you take it. I don't have time to take. Similarly, month I want. I will take slicer, month. Take a month here. And if you want 19 data, select 19. 19 year value, 19 total, 19 maximum value, minimum value, 19 locations, 19 spending, 19 contribution, 19 locations. If you want 20 information. And if you want July data, 20 July. So 20 July data, 20 July, 18 locations I travel. My minimum spending 100 only, maximum 2000, total value. Travel and food more in 20 and internet less, no books in 20 July. Like this, you can take a decision. And this is called a document. And you can save the document like this. File menu, save. File menu, I'm saving. Vinay, second demo, report, on 2706. But if you notice, what is the extension it is taking? File menu, extension, PBIX. Word document saved with .docx. Excel document saved with .xlsx. Power BI saved with .pbix. It's a document, not a report. Don't call it as a report. So this is the extension, file save. Is it easy to present? No coding. And without this also possible, guys, if you want to navigate. For example, if you click on it, automatically the values will change. This is called cross filtering, cross highlighting. Power BI beautiness, you can select on any area, automatically remaining visuals will change. And the concept is called cross filtering. Don't worry, slowly you will come to know. One way of filtering. Or you can take filters like this and filter. Visual filters like this and filter. So ready, sir. But from this, customer does not require extracting area, transformation area, modeling area, security area. He just requires this area. We need to share this to customer. We need to share this area to customer. How is it possible? To do that, move to cloud service or on-premises server, anyway, server, and then share. Service or server, you move and then share, then only possible. Otherwise, it is not possible. So how to develop a report? By extracting data, I explain, extracting, transforming. And similar way, we do many practicals in the classes. And my class goes like this with a detailed explanation and proper documents. And the current batch is for 2 months. Daily class 7 to 8 AM sharp, the current batch. No delay. Since it is a demo, there is a delay. And my course is specially designed for detailed subject covering, interview and working perspective, and PL 300 exam coverage. 70 to 80%.
Hi, Vinay. PL means?
Give me a minute, sir. And as I said, we'll share live class videos to near real-time projects and good theory and practical material. And this is my contact number. Couple of people called me yesterday. Even I'm expecting some few more calls. Kindly call me on this number. And in between those timings. So I'm done with the demo, whatever I planned for 2 days. First demo, data to Microsoft Fabric hierarchy. Second demo, practical demo. Those two successfully completed. I'm done, guys, from my side, and see you tomorrow at morning 7 o'clock. If you have any questions regarding the demo technical part or any guidance required, kindly call me on the number. On the given number, please call me. Don't hesitate. Definitely, I will satisfy you with my detailed subject. No doubt in that. What all you need is huge patience is required to grab complete knowledge. Each and every option I will cover, and real-time oriented I will continue.